If people don't know about your business, then you're trying to sell a secret. When you start off in your business, Cheryl, one of the things that you won't have is you probably won't have money. One of the things that you will have is time. And so then it's not always about coming up with monies because you don't have any. So it's about then going, right, well, with my time, what can I be doing with my time that I've got to generate awareness? The key word here is awareness. If people don't know about your business, then you're trying to sell a secret. And
Mm,
that doesn't work, I can assure you, unless you're in the business of selling secrets,
yeah.
right? But then it's a case of you need to create awareness for your business. So leverage your time. And there is a gazillion things that you can be doing to leverage your time when you don't have access to monies. Then once you start to get some momentum, then yes, you'll get some money. Don't take all of your money and put it in your pocket and go off and get yourself a fancy car. Reinvest that back into your business from a marketing point of view, and that will now start to speed up the process. But leverage your time. I work with a lot of businesses that are very seasonal. And so at this time of year, they're very summer oriented. And so this time of year, they're quiet. And so rather than sitting around and complaining about the fact that, hey, I don't have any leads coming in for my business, what can I be doing to ensure that I'm out there generating interest in my business? I recently did a speech to a large audience of window covering retailers. The phone has slowed for them. You know, we're going through a period in the economy where interest rates are going up, inflation, all these things are well publicized. The phone has started to stop. Okay, so what can I do about it? You know, my favorite
Mm,
five-word phrase is what else can I do? There are things that I can be doing from an awareness point of view, and organic social media is just one of them. There are so many things that we can do, and that's now the top of funnel. Then once they get into the top of the funnel, then we have to lean into the actual conversation where you've got to go and have that sales conversation.